As we continue to push the boundaries of mobile content creation, it's exciting to dive into Instories, a relatively new player in the field that's generating quite a buzz. But can it deliver on its promises of a seamless and feature-rich experience? Or will it fall short of the mark? Instories allows users to craft visually stunning stories on the go, leveraging a user-friendly interface that's perfect for creatives of all levels. And with a vast array of templates, stickers, and effects at their fingertips, the possibilities are endless. But how does it stack up against the competition? And is it worth the investment? With a freemium model that offers a basic plan for free, as well as several paid tiers that unlock additional features and capabilities, users can choose the level of commitment that suits their needs, with prices starting at $9.99 per month for the Pro plan, which includes features like ad-free experience, exclusive templates, and priority customer support, and the Business plan, which costs $19.99 per month, adds advanced analytics, customizable branding, and the ability to upload custom fonts. But what really sets Instories apart from other mobile content creation tools? And is it a game changer for creatives on the move?